When I inherited my grandfather's typewriter, I thought it would be a quirky addition to my study, a relic of a bygone era. But the night it began typing on its own, the clacking keys felt like icy fingers tapping at my spine. It started with my name, spelled out in hesitant, jittery strokes. Then came dates and places, locations I recognized from whispered family secrets. The room grew colder as the typewriter revealed a hidden lineage of betrayal and dark pacts, involving people I had never met but felt an unexplainable connection to. I tried to stop it, but the keys moved with a life of their own, spelling out a final revelation, a warning about a family curse that had claimed my grandfather's life. The last words it typed, "You're next," echoed in the silent room. As the typewriter fell silent, the temperature plummeted, and I felt a presence behind me, as if the typewriter wasn't the only